Hi, this video is about the TWI index. The Topographic Wetness Index, or TWI, also known as the Compound Topographic Index, is a steady-state wetness index. It is commonly used to quantify topographic control on hydrological processes and can also be used to characterize biological processes including forest site quality, vegetation patterns, and annual net primary production. In this video, we will extract the Topographic Wetness Index to show you the procedure. To get started, we import a DEM layer to the software. Using the search section, we search and find the flow direction command. As a brief definition, this command takes a surface as input and creates a raster of flow direction from each pixel to its steepest downslope neighbor. So the input will be our DEM layer. Then we define a specific path to save the output in. For the next step, we go for the flow accumulation command. According to ESRI definition, the flow accumulation tool calculates accumulated flow as the accumulated weight of all cells flowing into each downslope cell in the output raster. So the input of this command will be the output of the flow direction command, the one which we exported in the previous step. Then we save the output in a specific path. Be careful that long names might confuse you later on, because in the next steps we will need these outputs, so make sure that you use shorter names in saving the outputs. In the next step, we need to calculate the slope. So based on the slope function, our input will be the DEM layer. Then we search for the raster calculator command to calculate the TWI index. We use the following formula to calculate the index. And save the output as raster slope. We search the raster calculator command again. And enter the following formula. Then we save the output as Slopeton. Search the raster calculator command for third time. And enter the following formula. Then we copy the DEM cell size and paste it in the formula. And save the output as FlowAccu2. And finally we open the raster calculator for the last time. And enter the TWI formula. We save the output as TWI. And for better distinction and display, we can use a color combination.